This is the Ottavianelli Trentaquattro model with 34 piano keys, 72 bass notes, and 4 reed sets in the right hand, making up a bunch of register switches. I'm going to go through all the registers and then I'll play a little bit. Down at the bottom near the chin is the bassoon register, which is the low, one low. Okay, the next register is the Bandoneon switch, which is one middle and one low. The next switch is called Accordion. It's low with 2 middles. The next register is called coronet. It's very similar to the accordion register. Let's hear the two of them. That's coronet, and that's the accordion. So they both have a low and 2 middles. The accordion register is a faster tremolo. Okay, next we have the violoncello. It's another low, and this is just one middle. So let's hear that in relationship with the bandoneon, because they're both a low and a middle. They both have the same low, but the middle is going to change. So I'll hold down a C. Bandoneon, violoncello. Okay, the next is the master switch, and there is no palm master, so it's just accessible here. Okay, the next one is called Musette, and it's all 3 middles together. And the next one is 2 middles. Let's hear the different 2 middle switches. Polka, violin, and viola. So here's polka, violin, viola. Dry, wetter, wettest. I'll play a little bit on each. Okay. Now we'll listen to the final switch, which is the clarinet, which is just the single middle reed that is in tune. Okay, and now the bass registers. The top switch. Okay, the middle switch, which is the master. Okay, and the bottom switch. Okay, so that's the bottom. That sounds nice. Okay, some minor chords.